What we are seeing now is a confirmation of the trend that we observed for the last 2 to 3 years. I think the historical time point was really the time when the FDA in the US in 2017 and 1 year later the EMA in 2018 in Europe approved the first 2 commercial CAR T cells. It's really a very important point because it sped up the transition from cell transplant to administration of cellular and gene therapies. So what we are seeing now is the increasing use and uptake of commercial CAR T cells by hospitals all over Europe. We are expecting by the end of year 2020 or the beginning of year 2021 other CAR T products to reach the market with applications in particular in multiple myeloma, but we are still in the field of lymphoid malignancies. Beyond that, there are many preclinical and early clinical projects that are ongoing to evaluate immune effector cells for other types of hematological malignancies, including myeloid malignancies, where there is a large unmet need, and even further beyond that in medical oncology. So what we are seeing is really a thriving field where academia and big pharma are all contributing to the development and adoption of these new therapies. In addition to immune effector cells, we are also seeing some gene therapies reaching the market in which hematopoietic stem cells are manufactured and genetically modified. I'm thinking of the product developed by Bluebird Bio that has been approved and that will be used to treat a fraction of patients with beta thalassemia when they don't harbor the beta zero genotype. So this will be one of the first. This will be actually the first commercial products for globin disorders. There are already other products in development that use even more advanced technologies in terms of gene manipulations. And again, it's quite interesting to see how those innovative therapies are adopted by hospitals and how hospitals get organized together with the pharma companies and with health authorities in order to provide safe and efficient access to these new treatments. We must remain very humble. We do know a lot about the technological developments that underlie these medicinal products, but we need to acquire in-depth knowledge of the long-term safety and efficacy of those products in real-world conditions, and that will be the challenge for the next few years. So it's very interesting and challenging to simultaneously witness technological developments as well as how these innovative treatments progressively enter standard of care or therapeutic options and provide new possibilities for these patients.